Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how can you remove purple fringe from your picture using GIMP. First of all, you need to, it's better to duplicate your layer to save the original picture. So then you can either choose in selection all the stuff. For instance, if you have very similar colors nearby or in the picture, I don't have, so I can use the hue-saturation tool, and I will show you in split view. So my fringe edge looks like blue one, but you can see that some parts are magenta or cyan, whatever it's pronounced. So now I can choose only the blue one and put the saturation down. See, all the fringe disappeared. Nice. For some people, can the magenta be the solution? So try heart by heart. If I put down key and all the sky is gone. So in that part I need to use some selection and define as close as possible to fringe. That's it. So I adjust it, put it up a little bit, okay, like in 0, and I click OK. And that's it. My purple fringe gone. Okay, there is some yellow. You can adjust it with like selection tools, whatever selection you are using. I just demonstrate, and now you should use a yellow one and a little desaturate it. Okay, see, in the split view I can show you the difference. This is yellow and this is not. You can choose a green one and whatever. Try to desaturate the colors, but be aware of influencing all the picture by selecting the area. If there is nothing to influence, so you can choose all the picture. Okay. The green I will put that. Okay. That's it. Okay. Thank you for watching. For the next video, subscribe. If you like the video, put the thumb up. If not, put it twice. Thank you.